Angela? Hey.
Jerome. Hey.
Oh, excuse me.
Okay.
Yep, all right.
Thanks.
I love you.
Hey. Shut up, killer.
Oh, Jerome, no, man. You cannot say that on a first date.
No.
You cannot do that.
No. And everything was going so well, man. I mean, I was aloof. I was mysterious.
So that joke about the cow?
I told the joke about the cow first, you know? Come on, man. I mean, we were making out in the bathroom. Everything was going awesome, and then it just spills out of me. I love you.
Dude, where the fuck is my car?
It happened again the other week. I was on a date with a lovely young woman. We had a great glass of wine.
But so I finally make it home, and not only is my mom there, but so are the puppies.
I love you. Puppies.
No.
I know.
Jerome, no.
I know.
Just no. You know.
No, I know.
No is no.
It's no. It's a big no. And you know, I tried this new thing where I just take a deep breath and say, don't say I love you. 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 Don't say I love you.
Jerome?
That didn't work out so well.
Ouch.
Yeah. Anyway, maybe I should try therapy.
Dude, no. Someone like you does not need to be, like, more in touch with their emotions. That's not a good idea.
Okay, if not therapy, then what?
And exhale. While you are in this trance, we will create an agreement between your conscious and your subconscious beliefs. I want you to picture the words, I love you, as if they are written in big, puffy clouds up in the sky. They are not bad words. They just hover there above you. Can you see them?
I can see them.
Good. I can too. But today is a windy day. Not windy in a bad way, just like kind of windy.
I can feel the wind.
Now, picture the wind as it slowly moves the clouds away. Watch as the words disappear from the sky. As long as the sky is clear, you won't be able to say, I love you, ever again. Unless, and this is an important unless, someone else says them to you first.
Unless someone else says them to me first.
Next thing I know, we're sleeping on the same bus. But it ended pretty much as soon as the tour was over, and I'm never dating another musician again. But yeah, what do you do? Sorry, I keep going on about myself.
Well, I am an app developer. I don't have a musical bone in my body. As a matter of fact, the last time I did karaoke, they unplugged the PA system.
Well, lucky me.
It's been 6 long days and 7 longer nights. I try to be nonchalant, but you're always on my mind. Oh, am I going crazy? Am I going insane? Is it too soon to say I love you? Don't know how you pass your time. Do you prefer red or white? can hear wedding bells when I look into your eyes. They say good things come in time, but I've been waiting all my life. Oh, is it too soon to say that I love you? What would you do if I said I love you? Well, if it is, tell me now. I'll do my best to turn my heart around. But I can't promise I can keep it to myself. You know what mothers say, that you better shop around. But I'm sure she would understand if she sees what I found. A million words I wanna say to you, but I'll say it in a few. Is it too soon? Hope I hear it too. Oh, I love you.
Sometimes I feel like when you're on the stage, you're singing directly to me.
I am singing to you.
I wish I could make you feel the way that I feel when you sing.
Well, you know I love you, right? I love you, Jerome.
I greatly enjoy spending time with you and having intercourse with you.
What?
I don't get it, man. The hypnotist said, like, if somebody says it to me first, then I should be able to say it back. Hey, come on, you say it to me.
You want me to say it?
Man, come on, man, just say it.
Okay, I love you, man.
I love you too, see?
You know what? I find her behavior really suspicious, though. You know, maybe you couldn't say it because deep down you really know that she doesn't actually love you, huh? Listen, that it was a test, right? And if you told her how you really feel, then she would see that you were weak.
I don't want to be weak, but I don't want to be dumped either.
Dude, dumping you was a test. It's all a test.
Natalie, it's not like that. She's not testing me. She's just telling me how she honestly feels. And you know what? I think I feel the same way.
Like she feels, I feel like too many feelings, all right? It's clouding your vision, homie.
No, that's it. That's exactly it. I mean, I've spent so much time trying to convince people that I don't have any feelings, and I don't think it's really worked out for me, man. I mean, before Natalie, I spent entire dates bottling up my emotions till it all came out in one spastic burst. Maybe if I just said affectionate and nice things, I don't know, I wouldn't have come off as such an insane person. Now Natalie thinks I really don't care about her.
There's other women, it's fine.
Dan.
What?
I'm done trying to suppress my emotions to score with women. And honestly, I'm done listening to your advice on relationships. You're a terrible consultant. You have awful style, and honestly, I think you're a bit of a misogynist. And also, I'm starting to wonder whether or not you have a car.
Fantastic style, you hear me?
See you, Dan.
Is it the slippers?
Thank you guys so much. I love you guys.
I love you too!
Jerome?
I love you too! I love you too. Do you still love me?
Oh, Jerome. Yes.